Good job! Yay!
Hey. A kid's argument in progress. Classic style. Well, strollers aren't meant for kids after all.
When Mum says watch the baby, but Sleep says otherwise.
Typical fluffy babysitters, overly protective but oh so loving.
Young Padawan, you will be the one holding the ball of destiny.
Just look at how careful he approaches. He's clearly ready to cherish this new little sibling.
Mally, stop eating her hair. Oh my God, Gia. Oh my God, no!
A perfect way to keep two little ones happy. No screens needed.
Hi, Gogo. Hi.
Go home. We bring him home. Oh, do you like him?
Good. Oh, my God.
Big brothers will always protect their little sisters, but they'll also teach them this too.
Good. Now slowly pick it up. Very nice. And that, my friend, is how you ride your bike with your pet.
Arden, what is that?
Lying at the sister's feet, that's his way of saying, I'll protect you.
Yeah. No, Don. No! Sweetheart, she cannot throw the ball yet. She can't throw the ball yet. I'm so sorry. She just can't do that yet.
Who says pit bulls aren't good with kids? They have a natural talent for playing with children.
He can't throw it yet. Bro.
Cats can't run book clubs. Nap time always wins.
Easy there, little girl. No matter how much you love it, you can't bring this big kitty home.
This might just be the most obedient big brother in the world.
Forget tokens. This carousel runs on trots and squeals.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
One of those things. Instagram.
Mission: feed cow, but gravity's been real clingy lately.
What you doing?
Careful. Don't boo him, he's a baby.
Having a dog means having a full-time babysitter, 24/7.
Book Fortress activated. Camouflage level, hardcover. Back from school, and suddenly it's the Doggo Fan Club reunion.
Be nice.
Don't push him. No, don't push him.
Looks like someone's worried the baby might get stuck, even before it happens.
Human said accessorize. Now I'm 97% ribbon and 3% external crisis. Prince Charming and his emotional support homie.
Roy, high five! Roy, high five, buddy! Roy! High five! Roy, high five! Roy, high five!
The baby will definitely be safe with this 360-degree security camera guarding him.
The child is like, what kind of shower is this? I'm loving it.
Whoa!
Inai? Hey.
Are you getting the stars? Keep on.
Playing and making the baby laugh. Only dogs can multitask like this.
Tell me you were born on a farm without saying it.
Не будет ничего видно.
Oi.
No sabemos qué ha pasado, pero lo voy a grabar. Lo voy a grabar.
Move over, Snow White. We've got a new animal whisperer.
This is the start of a beautiful bond.
One goodnight kiss just isn't enough for this little guy.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, my baby, my baby.
The dog's like, me too, I'm right here. I want pets as well.
My baby! My baby! My baby! 这像我了。
One gentle head bonk a day keeps the distance away. Looks like this furry passenger is fluent in trolley pool.
Most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
The cow's like, hey dad, I just want to hold hands with her and play too.
That chicken's face says, this wasn't in the Playday contract.
看手，你看小孩看天上的月亮，对吧？然后他黑天了，还会记得是。
The most reliable bodyguard and babysitter in the world.
When you ask your best friend to hold your snacks, but
Looks like the cat has finally found their favorite human.
Uh-oh, this is why you don't eat at the farm.
With a friend like this, every game just got way easier. The fastest way to make a friend is definitely sharing food.
¿Qué color son los ojos?
When you're sleepy, but Mum says you still have to watch the baby.
Aw, he wants you to love him.
My God, look.
He just jumps on his lap.
Oh my God. The girl. The girl. Let go.
Kittens deep in REM cycle. Laughter privileges revoked. When life gives you a locked cupboard, team up with Kitty.
She has on her light up shoes right now.
Picked flowers for Mum, but forgot you had a little brother.
What is happening? Give me your haircut.
Nothing's better than growing up alongside your best friend.
Give him his crop back, please.
Someone found the ultimate Zoomies fuel, a little human shoe.
Jota, give him his crock.
No, it's jump.
He's doing his job perfectly, and not even breaking a sweat. Oh dear, he's handsome and has snacks. No wonder the girls came over first.
Careful.
Looks like the hair of Aquaman has been found.
Dogger didn't choose the glam life, but the glitter chose him.
looks like the hair of Aquaman has been found.
My dog and kiddo, practically attached to the hip. Fluffy Fruit Ninja strike again. Should he call the police?
Such a gentle welcome home, reserved only for the little one.
You know, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, then you know it, so if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
Okay, wait till they come out. Lawton. Lawton.
That little girl will surely grow up kind, caring, and a warm-hearted sister.
Whoa!
Who needs horsepower when you are the horsepower?
Yes! Yes!
Best part about having kids, watching them grow up. Best part about it. What's the worst part?
A baby and a pup, truly the ultimate lifelong best friend duo. Don't miss the next heartwarming video